morning, students. As you know that we are continuing our last unit of syntax conjunction. I have already explained to you what is the definition of conjunction and types of conjunction. As you know, there are basically two types of conjunction: coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunctions. And coordinate conjunctions are divided in four types. They are similar types of alternative, adversative and relative conjunctions. What they are already have been explained to you, and we have also came to know about the subordinate conjunction, as they are time denoting, place denoting, manner denoting, purpose denoting, and reason denoting words. Okay. Now, in my previous video lecture, I have explained some important rules related with conjunctions. We will continue our rules related with correction of conjunction. As what is difference between if and when? If is used for the condition. If is used for the condition, and when denotes time. When your principal class is started with if and when, there will be conjunction, comma, not that, and some another condition. If he come, I will help you. Okay. If he comes, I will help you. So if he comes और I will help you के बीच में जो आपका clause का division है, that will be with the help of comma, not with that and some other conjunctions. Okay. And when is time denoting what? When your class start with when he reached there. When he reached there, he saw the horrible scene. When he reached there and he saw a horrible scene के बीच में जो conjunction को add करने का काम करेगा, conjunction का work करेगा, that will be comma will work as a conjunction for subordinate or coordinate class. Okay. Other conjunction that या ऐसी कोई भी चीज लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. Now, what is the difference between if or whether? When they work as a conjunction, then they work as a conjunction, not your subordinate or main clause is started with if or whether. इनसे स्टार्ट नहीं होती है बल्कि बीच में आता है, कंजक्शन की तरह वर्क करता है. तो क्या डिफरेंस होता है? इफ इज यूज फॉर क्वेश्चन, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, दे ऐड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. बट वेदर इज यूज्ड इन द इंटरोगेटिव सेंस बट विद द चॉइस. But with the choice, and they ask something, but here in whether we find choice, and there that adds only interrogative sentences without any choice. Suppose he asked if he had studied very well. He had studied very well. He asked if. It has the meaning of he kya. Okay. He is going to ask question whether if he had completed his study very well or not. Now whether. He asked me whether I would stay or leave the place. He is going to ask me about my choice, whether I would stay or leave the place. मैं रुकूंगा या उस जगह को छोड़ूंगा. ठीक है. तो both has interrogative sense, but if is asked in the sense of कि क्या, but whether is asked in the sense of choice. Okay. Now next one. Since is a very common word. You have heard about the for and since, uses of for and since in your past perfect in your perfect continuous sentences, whether in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous sentences. But here, when since works as a conjunction, what happens? Its first sentence, first class, the class before since, that will be in present perfect tense. Okay, and the class after since will be in simple past. For example, 10 years have passed. 10 years have passed. Since 10 years have passed. Since I saw you. आपको देखते हुए 10 साल बीत गए हैं. So 10 years have passed since. Since is working as a conjunction, and this is the reason that its first class is in present perfect tense and second one is in the simple past tense. Okay. Now next one. Whenever you put your sentences in the direct form of narration, she said that, comma, inverted comma, I am not ready to sacrifice. I am not ready to sacrifice my life. Okay, this one is wrong because that is used in the conjunction when you put this direct form of narration into indirect form of narration. So that will be removed. She said, comma, inverted comma, I am ready to sacrifice my life. Okay. आपका डायरेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ नरेशन जो है वो किसी कंजक्शन को कंसिस्ट नहीं करता, इसलिए उस कंजक्शन को आपको कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के पहले नहीं रखना होगा. ठीक है. There are so many rules related to the verb and direct and indirect form of narration and related with the degree that you have already known about these things related with the degree and conjunctions. आपको वो सारी चीज़ें लगभग पहले भी बताई जा चुकी हैं नॉन प्रोनाउन वर्ब एडवर्ब में. वो जब आप सिंटैक्स की बात करेंगे तो पर्टिकुलर एक पार्ट को लेके नहीं चलेंगे. You have to study the syntax as a whole from noun to conjunction. Okay. I think the important things related with the syntax have been completed. Once again, I am going to remind that there are some conjunctions which are always used in pairs. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, scarcely, when, no sooner did than, such as, both and, so, first form of the adjective, and as, hardly, when, though, yet, and so plus adjective and that. Okay. One thing more I want to tell you that least is a negative word. कहीं ऐसा ना हो. इसके साथ सेकंड क्लास में हमेशा should आता है. जैसे walk slowly. Walk slowly. Lest, L-E-A-S-T, lest you should fall. कहीं ऐसा ना हो तो should. So whenever you are going to list as a conjunction, your subject will consist the verb should. Okay, list के साथ should आता है. So students, these are the rules that is related with the syntax of conjunction, and there is exercise related with the conjunction of syntax of conjunction, exercise 22 on page 141. There are total 35 sentences and you have to do this exercise in your copy. In my next video lecture I will explain, I will provide answer sheet of these questions. Students, there is one piece of information for you. Your syllabus related with second paper means language portion section B is completed now. literature and language, both the part of your both the section of your syllabus of your question papers have been completed. So in my next video lecture I will revise revise the topic translation unseen, and I will tell you how to present your essay in your answer sheet. Okay, so these topics and these things as a revision will be will be done for you. Till that is enough for today. Till that, have a nice day to one and all.